Hey everybody, it's your old pal Willie Whitegloves here, also known as Drawn2U and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing Bittergiggle. So you can see, as usual, I went through and kind of just roughed this drawing out with blue pencil, and then I went back over it in a number 2, the good old Ticonderoga Dixon number 2, and started out with the good old Ticonderoga T420 blue, and here we are going over these with the Pigma Micron. And this set of Pigma Microns that you're looking at here, the 8-pack, is the best deal going. You can get that thing on Amazon for about $15. You might be able to find it cheaper at Walmart, but compared with getting a 3-pack or something, that's an unbelievable deal. You got every size that you need, and plus brushes in there. It's great. Alright, so we have all these lines here. Now we're going to go in with the Sharpie and fill in these eyeballs and the mouth. You'll see on the leg there's a line that I had to cover up with jelly roll pins, and we found out it doesn't look so great when you go over it with a marker, because it ends up, you know, just looking like the... Oh! Looks like DRAWN2U2 is taking over here. Okay. Let's see what he's doing here. So he added a little bit on the end of the hand there, and now we're going over these areas with the purple. So just more and more he's getting better at, you know, look how he's following that line, finishing that out. Oh yeah, that's where we decided to put these little socks on him, or so whatever you want to call it, a little divider there. Yeah, he's going over with the purple marker and filling it in really nicely. It's a little darker in the video than it is in real life, so the mouth looks like it's completely lost there, but we go in and put a white jelly roll around that in the end to make that stand out. Oh, we got a thumbs up there. Now, this character is called Bittergiggle, but 2 wanted me to let you know that he, just like me, he has some other nicknames. One of them is the Jester, and another one is Case 17. Also, Bittergiggle is deceased, killed by Sheriff Toadster. Now, I know you're sad to hear that, but Bittergiggle leaves behind an incredible legacy, including this quote: "Nothing is as precious as smiles. Tell a joke wherever you walk." Isn't that a great little quote? I love that. All right, so we've got the purple and green, and now we're going to go in the background here with this. This is Peacock Green. This is one of the Master's Touch markers that we now have 2 of these. They're a little bit on the expensive side. They're $3 a piece at Hobby Lobby, so we have 2. This is number 61, Peacock Green. And $3 a piece may not seem like that much these days, but when you compare it with the illustration markers that we get from Five Below, where it's $5 for this whole set of 21 markers, you can see how $3 a piece compared with that could add up quickly. But compared with the Copic markers, $3 is still cheap, so it's all relative. So 2 and I have a very special announcement this video. We want to tell you that, oh, we got the thumbs up there. Did you see that? We're going to give away this drawing. If you would like to own this original piece of artwork, we are going to award that to the first person who in the comments leaves the comment, "Eat beets." Yes, if you leave a comment, "Eat beets," the first person to leave "Eat beets" in the comments will receive this drawing. We will contact you. We will reply to your message and tell you how you can email us. And if you want to give your address and have us mail you this original drawing of Bittergiggle, you can own it. And it's signed by both of us there, as you can see. He's signing there. So best of luck on being the first person. If you're interested, we'll have it up. If nobody comments, it'll just be up there until somebody does. So check the comments. If you see "Eat beets," it's too late. But if you don't see it, go ahead and add it. "Eat beets." Well, that music can only mean one thing. We're coming up on the end of another video. 2 is adding the mini version here that we have for all our. He started adding those at some point, and here we go. The final product, Bittergiggle. This could be yours. Well, we sure had a good time drawing this one, Internet. Hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.